Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Hello guys, what's up? It's a makeup video. As you know, I'm always into colorful makeup, but this time, because you guys asked me a lot to do something normal, I'm going to be normal for at least one video. That means we're going to do a brown makeup, which people usually like to wear in different situations. You know, it's kind of J-Lo style. I like it, but I prefer pink, I don't know, red and these colors, but I'm going to do it for you guys. And because I'm going to be inspired by J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez, I'm going to start my makeup with contouring. Again, it's a stage makeup. I thought you this makeup, I don't know which video was it? But that's not it. You know, our videos are never that boring just to do the makeup. We're cooler, guys. We're cooler. I'm gonna tell you about the last time I went to theme park. Because we usually do this makeup in serious ceremonies, and because they are usually at night, we use a lot of concealer for this part. But then we have to mate it because we don't want to see the reflection in the photos. I went to theme park years ago before the coronavirus thing, and we get to the machine that wasn't really that dangerous or scary, and it was rolling like this. And it was in the middle of the summer, and we were having so much fun, screaming, enjoying, and suddenly I felt like some drops of water on my face. But it was so weird because it was exactly summer, and you know, it wasn't like heavy rain, it was just like, you know, some drops of water and stop, and again some drops of water and stop. So I thought, okay, it's kind of sound normal. I say it's normal because, you know, we sometimes have this kind of rain in summer, and usually it's warm, and it was just like that. And I know that everybody were enjoying that rain because the guy next to us whistled several times to scream, and it was perfect. So I told my friend who was sitting next to me that, look, Kitty, open your mouth, it's raining, and we really had a great time. So I know you know that when I talk like that, nothing's good gonna happen. And by the way, I'm using a light brown for the basic part of my crease line, dark brown, and just for this part. Okay, so I told everybody near me that open your mouth, guys. Okay, this is raining, enjoy the rain. I don't know why when it's raining I have to open my mouth and just swallow the water. Why I'm doing this? I really needed somebody to tell me, shut your mouth, girl, please, for God's sake. Look what I did. Okay, and I got this shiny, beautiful purple that I borrowed from my aunt, or you can say I stole it. Okay, it's like I can't control myself from using purple and pink in my makeups. So as I told you, it was really strange that, you know, in some minutes, some seconds actually, we had the rain, and then it stopped, and then again it started raining, and again it stopped. So finally I found out something I wish I never did. That whenever the guy next to me whistled, we felt the rain. I think you can guess the rest.
Oh, hell no!
It was him spitting on us the whole time, and we tried to get it with our mouth.
Oh, God! Oh, God!
What? I mean, why would somebody even whistle on a rolling machine? Is that your first time, dude? Are you too excited? Why would somebody else enjoys the rain by opening the mouth? Why I did that? So since then, whenever I see it's raining, I just close my mouth and hide somewhere. That's the safest way. But here's the question. Why these things always happen to me? I must have been a really, really bad person in my previous life that I'm experiencing this dirty life. The wrong toothbrush, swallowing the spit of someone, and invite other people to swallow it too.
Oh!
You know, I'm pretty sure I will never get coronavirus because I myself am corona. You know, it scares of me. I myself am the dirtiest person I ever know. Why would anybody want to spit while they're whistling? I hate that guy. And finally, we are done with this makeup and I'm really into it. You know, I told you I don't like really normal makeups, but this one is really gorgeous. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, whether the makeup, whether it warns you to close your mouth when you are on a rolling machine. And be aware that it never rains in the summer. So close your mouth, please. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me how do you like it in the comments. Love you guys so much. Bye bye.